Hi, we're at Stuart Wilson's excavations today. It's a wonderful Sunday, beautiful day, and we're into September now. So let's go and have a look what the gang are doing. And social distancing today, 2 meters apart. And so what we've been doing today is actually de-weeding some of the walls because it's been a long summer and the pandemic, and doing a little bit of a clean-up today, so that looks good. And let's go and have a look at the team. And we got wonderful Margaret in her tent washing away usually the usual slag from the site. And look at this nice little bit of bowl here, base of a bowl, and this is very interesting. It probably dates before the 1200s. So the date of the establishment of this site is about 1250. So is there something going on? This looks quite abraded, quite worn, so it's been turned around in the soil a lot. As we go around, there's Margaret watching away. We also undertake sieving as well, and there's Menna sieving away. There she is. It gives her muscles and whelks. And as we go to the excavation team, and this is John.
Hi there.
Yeah, he's doing a bit of weed killing. John, shouldn't you be weed killing on the walls? Thank you. He's a bit strange, our John. And this is Kyla, our youngest member of the team, excavating away. So she's getting a good bit of a level in there, which is absolutely brilliant. And what we are doing is, let's follow this wall along. So this boundary wall, so you can see the outline of it here. So we follow it, and we're following this wall all the way along. This is still the wall. It's quite a narrow wall actually. It's from that's one face, the northern face, southern face, and God, it's not even half a metre thick really. So as we go through the excavation team, the wall actually extends, and two of the team excavating today. So this is again Karl-James and Stuart Treleck. We've had a few visitors today, and we'll be back here in a month's time. Thank you very much.